Welcome to our training on how to respond to an intellectual property or IP policy violation. The tips in this video don't take the place of legal advice and were developed for sellers operating in the U.S. Search intellectual property in Seller Central to find and review country-specific policies. When you list products in the Amazon store, you must comply with all applicable laws and Amazon policies. This includes Amazon's IP policy, which helps protect creators of an invention, brand, design, or other work against someone using their IP without consent. Amazon takes any claims of infringement seriously, even for sellers who unknowingly infringe upon IP. If Amazon believes your account has violated the IP policy, we'll send you an authenticity-related violation. To review this and other performance notifications, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Performance, and select Performance Notifications. The notifications shown on the Performance Notifications page alert you to issues that might affect your account health and ability to sell in the Amazon store. You can also review policy violations or warnings on the Account Health page. To get there, open the Seller Central main menu, hover over Performance, and select Account Health. In the Policy Compliance section, a 0 will appear beside each policy you haven't violated. Likewise, a number will appear next to each policy you have violated. If we notify you of a violation, you should correct the behavior described. If you believe you haven't violated the IP policy, submit an appeal as soon as possible. To respond to an IP violation notification from the Performance Notifications page, select the notification. Then refer to the instructions provided in the notification. To respond to an IP violation from the Account Health page, select the name of the policy you violated. On the Policies Compliance page, you can review the violation reason, date, and impact. Typically, infringement notices target an offer or specific ASIN for removal. If the infringement occurred only on the product detail page, you may appeal after you rectify those details and ensure that they don't continue infringing on the IP rights of others. You can also see any actions taken, such as removal of your listing for an infringing ASIN, and next steps. For example, if you violated Amazon's fair pricing policy, your next step would be to update the impacted ASIN's pricing. Select the button shown in the Next Steps column to address the violation, and click the hyperlinked text in the Reason column to review the violated policy. If you believe that either the rights owner or Amazon made an error, you can file a dispute. The supporting documentation we'll ask you to submit will depend on the nature of the notice. It could include an invoice, order ID, letter of authorization, or licensing agreement, for example. Any documents you provide must be authentic and unaltered. In other words, we won't be able to accept invoices or other documents that have been manipulated. You can remove pricing information from the invoices, but ensure that all other information is visible and clear. For instructions on how to file a dispute, refer to the notification you received, select the policy violation, and click Appeal. Here, you'll submit the requested documents by clicking the Select Files button or dragging and dropping the files into the available field. Select the checkboxes next to each requirement to confirm your documents meet them, and then click Submit. Once you've submitted the appeal, we'll review your documents. We might ask the supplier to verify your documents' information. And we'll always keep your supplier's information confidential. If your appeal is approved, we'll reinstate your listing. Whether or not you believe an error was made, always respond to policy violations in a timely manner. Fixing or disputing a policy violation helps prevent interruptions to your selling privileges. If your account has been deactivated because of multiple notices of IP infringement, you'll likely be required to submit a viable plan of action, or POA. To learn how to create an effective POA and how to address listing or account level deactivation, search for Plan of Action in Seller University. For tips on preventing IP policy violations, watch the Comply with Amazon's Intellectual Property Policy video in Seller Central. You should also consult a lawyer to ensure that you have appropriate checks and procedures in place to protect your own IP rights and to avoid infringing on those of others. This concludes our training on how to respond to an IP policy violation. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store!